Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, all. We're going to be having a short video on balance sheets. Now, what is balance sheet? Balance sheet is a statement that shows a company or business assets, its liability, and equity of shareholders at a specific point in time. It can also be said to be a snapshot of what a company or business owns and what it also holds at one point in time. And so from this statement, we can say we can know the financial position or strength of the company at any point in time. And from this information, we will be able to know if that position or strength of the company has changed or is still the same based on the information that we can find on the balance sheet. And so, a balance sheet, as I said before, is a statement that shows a business asset, a liability, and equity at a particular time. Having said this, a balance sheet is divided into two sections. The first of these is a listing of the company's assets. What are assets? One will want to ask, what is an asset? We'll be talking about company's assets, we'll be talking about assets. What are these assets? Because we said balance sheet shows the company assets. So what are these assets? Assets are things that the company owns as of the date of the balance sheet. In other words, assets are those things of value that are being owned by a business or by a company, such that the company or business expects that those value things will be of huge benefit to it in the future. And then we might want to know, what are those things like? What are they? Those assets could be the cash in the company's bank account. Those are the assets. Another of those assets are products which the company produces, of which when it is being sold, it becomes cash to the company again. Another of those assets are loans and advances. Loans that the company has given to its customers to be able to carry out their business for them effectively. They are like supportive funds to support their own customers so that the company or the business can move forward. So having said this, we will go to the second the second section of the balance sheet, which is the listing of the company's liability. Remember from our definition of what a balance sheet is, we said it's a statement that shows the company's or the business asset, liability. And so, what are these liability? What are they all about? Liability are what the company holds to outsider as of the date of the balance sheet. In other words, liability is just like a burden that the company or the business carries. It's like a load. It carries something. That is to say, a company holds something in the form of money, And so Example of such kind of liability are debts that are being raised by the company to be able to help carry out its lending activity. In other words, borrowing to its customer those funds that they borrow to be able to help they lend to their customers so that they can carry out their activities effectively. These are liabilities that this company carry. Another liability form of liability is the goods and services that have been carried out by a third party or by an external agent for which payments are yet to be made for. Those payments are not yet done, but those third party companies or agents, they've carried out these services already. So those monies are payables. So from what we've said, from these two things, we can say this can give us the total liability that can be found in a company. And then lastly, the third section of balance sheet is shareholders' equity. Shareholders' equity. Now, when we say shareholders' equity, these are the claims on assets that holders of the business or company have after the company debts have been paid. Have been paid. For example, we have the capital, the share capital. These are funds that the shareholders invested in the company in order to acquire the shares. These are the equity. Another, we can say, they are portion of the profits that are being held back so as to be reinvested back to the company. They are retained. These are profits gain that are made with the shareholders fund. Some of these funds are retained so that it can be reinvested into the company for more profits and for more gain. And so in summary, the essence of balance sheet is to be able to ascertain if shareholders' invested funds and company assets are growing in a sustainable way. These are the reason. And if the assets of the company are growing in a consistent way. Thank you.